Today I'm going to change my laptop RAM. I have 8 GB of RAM and I'm updated it with another 8 GB of RAM. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now just quickly unscrew the laptop. There is several screws and you have to unscrew this hole with a star screwdriver. Please take something to collect the whole screws. After removing all the screws, just simply dispatch the back cover. You can simply do it with your nails, otherwise use some spatula tools. Here I'm using my nail cutter as a tool. The flat nail cutter you can use or something flat knife. After detaching the back cover, you can see that there is a huge dust in my back cover. I have to remove all the dust. Just remember, whenever you open your laptop, please do a gentle cleaning because cleaning is necessary. You can see that in my fan there is a huge dust and it causes huge bottlenecking of my CPU and GPU. Here is the RAM slot. You can see that another RAM slot is free here, and where I'm going to put this 8 GB of card. Now simply cut this out. Here is the fresh RAM. You can see that I'm using transient RAM. It's a 3200 bus speed RAM. You can see that there is a notch on this RAM, and according to the notch, there is some port. You have to place it on its position. Just gently press it downwards, and it will be fixed on this place. Now just cover it, the back lid, and just screw the back cover. Now turn on your laptop. Just simply turn it on and let's see what's happening. Is it work or not? It seems fine. Just a moment, I'm sharing my screen. See that in view. So Here is my RAM upgraded. I have 8 GB previously and I added 8 GB of RAM. So the total RAM count is showing 16 GB. Thank you for watching. Please and you can just subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.